Okay. Now we got discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ second type of problems, that is coefficient of linear expansion. Already ನಿಮಗೆ explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Coefficient of linear expansion, it is the ratio of change in length per unit length per degree centigrade is called as the coefficient of linear expansion. It is denoted by a letter alpha. Its unit is per degree centigrade. That is very simple formula, that alpha is equal to, so alpha is equal to L2 minus L1 divided by L1 into T2 minus T1. ಇದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, if an 8 meter long metal rod, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದಾನೆ, 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ರಾಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ? 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಾಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 8 ಮೀಟರ್. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು? 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಲಾಂಗ್ is heated from 30 degree centigrade to 80 degree centigrade. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಇದರ ಉದ್ದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ನೋಡಿ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಟು 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ 30 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಗ 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 8 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಈ ಕಡೆನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಕಡೆನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So it may produce an elongation of 8 point. ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. It may produce an elongation. Elongation is ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 0.84. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? 0.84. What is that? Millimeter. This is most important. The length of the rod is 8 meter. The elongation is millimeter. The units are different. Now see, the units is in meter. Here is in millimeter. You can carefully observe this one. So if, see another one time, if an 8 meter long, this is a 8 meter long rod is there. Its length 8 meter when it is 30 degree centigrade. After heating, its temperature rises to 80 degree centigrade. So its length will be increases by 0.84 millimeter. It is not now 8 meter. It should be 8 point whatever it may be 0084 meter. That means 0.84 mm will be elongated. Find its coefficient of linear expansion. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ನಾವೀಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಡಾಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ L1. L1 he has given 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter. So next, so 8 meter T1 he has given, that is T1 is equal to 30 degree centigrade. So after giving the heat, temperature changes to T2. How much? That one is 80 degree centigrade. Now he has given the elongated length. That is very easy. That means L2 minus L1 he has given. Here L2 minus L1 he has given, that is 0.84 millimeter. So if we be carefully observe here, 100 centimeter or 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we are already discussed in the units. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now is 0.84 millimeter is equal to how much meter? So next, so you 0.84 divided by 1000. Now you are giving 0.00084 meter. So 0.84 mm is nothing but a 0.00084. This is meter. Okay. Now you are understanding each and everything. So next we will go for the further. So next, what is asking? Coefficient of linear expansion he is asking. That is alpha. That alpha he is asking the alpha. So alpha we know that alpha is equal to L2 minus L1 divided by L2 minus L1 divided by L1 into T2 minus T1. Okay. What is the L2 minus L1? He has directly given, that is 0.00084 divided by, what is the L1? That is 8 into, what is the T2 minus T1? See here, L2 minus L1 directly he has given, that is the elongated length. How much? There is 0.0084. So now he has given L1, this is 8 meter, into what is the value of T2? T2 is 80. 80 minus T1 is 30. Okay. So 0.00084 divided by 8 into 80 minus 30 means 50. So now you are getting 0.00084 divided by, so 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 400. So finally 400. Finally now you are getting, so you can cancel by calculator. That too you can use a commercial calculator. Now you are getting, see here, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. That is 2.1 into, see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 6. That means, so I will give the another one step. Just what I will do is, so just I will multiply this one, 1 2 3 4 5. That means 1 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. So now you are getting 84 divided by 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So now this one multiply. Now you can multiply this one. So that means 4 1 ja 4, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 7 zeros. Okay. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. So now you can shift this denominator to numerator. Now you are getting 21 into 10 to the power of minus 7 or 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. Per degree centigrade. Now you got it now? Okay. Next comes to the second problem. This is the second problem. See now here. So in the second problem, there is iron bridge is there. Long iron bridge is there. You can assume this. This is the iron bridge. Iron bridge is there. So in the iron bridge, 100 meter long at 0 degree centigrade. The length should be 100 meter. It should be 100 meter at 0 degree centigrade. The temperature at that point is 0 degree centigrade. The length of the bridge is 100 meter. That means L1 he has given 100 meter. What he has next given? T1 he has given 0 degree centigrade. Now this line will be clear now. Next. What will be the length of the bridge if the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade? What will be the length of the bridge? Then that means you can find out L2 is how much. What will be the length of the bridge? So length of the bridge, the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Don't know, 40 degrees centigrade. See, now 0 degree centigrade is there. That's length is 100 meter. If instead of 0, we will giving the heating or the bridge, this iron bridge take off the heat from the sun. So it will take up the heat from the sun. Its temperature is rises to 40 degrees centigrade. Automatically the length will be increases. How much is the final length if the temperature is at 40 degrees centigrade? There is elongation in the bridge. So how much is the total length? after 40 degree centigrade or at the 40 degree centigrade. That is the question. And what he has given? Coefficient of linear expansion. He has given coefficient of linear expansion 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. Very simple problem. Now listen, see here how this one you can solve this one. You can use the same formula. There are no changes. Alpha is equal to L2 minus L1 divided by L1 into T2 minus T1. This is okay. So what is the alpha? He has given alpha 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to. So L2, what is the value of L2? You don't know this one. Minus, what is the value of L1? Is here. See here, L1, 100 divided by, what is the L1? Again, L1 should be 100 meter. 100. What is the value of T2? 40. Minus, what is the value of T1? 0 degree. See the 0 degree. T1. T2 is 40 degree. So now 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to L2 minus 100 divided by 100 into 40. 40 minus 0 is 40. Okay. Let's make the cross multiplication now here. Or 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to L2 minus 100 divided by 4 on top 4 0 0 0 0 0. Now make the cross multiplication. So 12 into 400 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to L2 minus 100. L2 minus 100. So now make this one 12 4 ja 48. So 0 0 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to L2 minus 100. See 12 4 48 1 2 ಈ 2 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ 1 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 ಹಾಕಿದ ನಂತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ 0.00480 is equal to L2 minus 100. Okay, understand now? So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಹೋಯ್ತು. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ 100 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ L2 is equal to ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 0.0048 plus 100. That L2 is equal to 100.0048 meter. It is the total length of the bridge after 40 degree or at 40 degree centigrade. I think you are well understand this one. So okay.